So hello friends, welcome again to our new YouTube video. So today's video is all about CSS tables. So CSS table, what is CSS table? CSS tables are basically edited tables, I think, or formatted. So as we know, CSS means that only. So this is our first program. So let's see this program, what the output says. Okay, so I've copied the program, opening notepad plus plus, and I'm gonna save this program. So I've saved this program. Okay, so let me save this program in my file by name of 10.html. Okay, I've saved this program. Now let's run the program. So where is my file? So here is the file. So here is 10.html. So I'm opening the file. Let's see. So this is CSS table. You can see this table is edited. So how did we do that? We have used style tag, and under style tag we have written table thtd. As I have said in my earlier video, I have given a full description of table tag, or how to use or how to make a table in web page. You can go and see that video for your better understanding of this video. So th means table, td means table data, and th means table header. Okay, now border is 1 pixel solid black. As you can see, the border is 1 pixel solid black. Now if I turn this 1 pixel, suppose 5 pixel, then if I save it, now see the so you can see the border has been increased, right? So this is the difference. In the body I have written heading. You can see the heading is that add a border to a table, first name, last name. This is all the table, what the table needs. So under you have to use table tag, then you have to use tr tag, that is table row, then you have to use th tag, that is the table header, means inside the heading, inside the table, the heading tag. Okay, and then again close all the tags. Then yeah, like this we have made 3 rows, and you can see 3 columns, right? I mean 2 rows and 3 columns, right? So this was the first program, how to create an CSS table, right? So let's go to the next program. We have the last program for today. What is the program? Okay, next program is all about CSS object position property. Okay, object position property. So what is CSS position property, object position? So this CSS property is used to specify the alignment of the content within the container. It is used to object fed property to describe how an element like video or img is positioned with xy coordinates within its container. Okay, now when using the object fit property, the default value of the object position is 50% and 50%. By default all images are positioned in the center of the container. That means all images are positioned in the center of the container. When we can change the default alignment by using the object position property. Now this was all about our documentation about object position property. Now let's see the program, right? So as you can see, this is our program, and you can see, right? So let's copy this program. So this program is not having its HTML starting tag, right? So let me write the HTML starting tag. So I've given, now let me give bracket, right, HTML, close the bracket, done, right? Now let's copy this program and let's see what is the output. Now gives, before running this program, there is something wrong in this program. What is that? That is the image address is wrong over here. If I put this image address is not in my folder, so this image address will not work. Okay, now how to insert image? For inserting image, you need an image that should be in a folder. So I have one image in my folder, so I have to take this image address. Okay, so how I will copy. So I'm copying this, right? Wait for a moment. Okay, where is my folder? Desktop. So here is the folder. So I will copy the word. So see, you can see this image I will insert. Before this, copy the address of the image. So I'm thinking where to copy from. Actually, we can copy from here, but come on. Now see, I have pressed it. Now I will copy it, right? Control C. Okay, let me show you all, guys. I've copied this and I will paste it. Where I will paste it? Here. I will paste it over here, right? So you see this. Now I'm pressing Control V. So I've put the address of the image, and the image should be in the folder that you are saving this program. So let me save this program by name of 11.html. So I've saved this program. Now I've saved this one. Now here you can see the image. Now you see the image. It's coming over here, right? Now let's see the program. What the program says: title CSS position object title. That's a property. Now as you can see, the title is there, CSS object position property. Now under style tag, we have under body we have used text alignment, that should be center img width auto and height auto, means width of the and width and height of the picture is 400 px. Border is 5 px solid red, background color is light blue. Now you can see the background color is light blue, right? Outfit is none, object fit is none, object position is 90 px 200 px, right? So this is saying where the position of object should be. Right, now we have close style tag, close head tag, and only in the body we have written the heading, that is this one, and the image source, right? Image src is the tag or is the syntax to insert an image. Okay, so I made an earlier video on the image inserting topic, so if you have not watched it, go and watch it. So guys, for today only this much. This was all about today. If you like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Okay, bye bye.